Leo Fender, a name synonymous with the electric guitar revolution, wasn't a musician himself. Yet his innovations speak through the strings of countless musicians worldwide. His vision and ingenuity pioneered an era where the electric guitar became a pivotal instrument in shaping the sound of modern music. Let's explore the man behind the twang that changed everything. Born in 1909, Leo Fender's early life was not that of a typical luthier. He developed an interest in electronics while working at a radio repair shop in his hometown of Fullerton, California. Little did he know, his passion for circuitry and sound would later redefine the guitar industry. Transitioning from his earlier ventures, it was in 1946 that Leo Fender founded the Fender Electric Instrument Company. Housed in a small California workshop, this humble beginning marked the genesis of a revolution. It was here that Leo's innovative spirit began to merge with the world of music, setting the stage for an enduring legacy. As Fender forayed into guitar production, the challenges were significant. Early designs were cumbersome, with limited sound quality and practical issues that hindered mass production. Leo Fender, primarily an electronics expert, had to rethink guitar architecture from the ground up, paving the way for something truly groundbreaking. In a landmark moment for music, 1950 saw the introduction of the Fender Broadcaster, a name that would soon change due to a trademark conflict, becoming the illustrious Telecaster. This guitar challenged convention with its solid body design, offering enhanced durability, playability, and a new realm of tonal possibilities for musicians. The Telecaster dazzled musicians with its simple yet revolutionary design. Its solid body eliminated feedback, a bolt-on neck allowed easier repairs and adjustments, and its dual pickups offered a range of tones from bright trebles to mellow bass. These features not only defined the Telecaster's iconic sound, but set a new standard for electric guitars. The Telecaster swiftly became a staple in popular music. Its versatile sound was embraced by country artists, blues guitarists, and rock and rollers alike, shaping a multitude of genres. The instrument's distinctive twang and rich sustain became the soundtrack of an era, etching its name into the annals of music history. Following the success of the Telecaster, Leo Fender turned his attention to the lower frequencies. In 1951, he introduced the precision bass, the first mass-produced electric bass guitar. Its innovative fretted neck allowed for precise intonation, forever changing the way bass was played and heard in ensemble music. The precision bass set a new standard, not just in rock and roll, but across jazz, funk, and Motown too. Its clear, punchy sound gave bassists a whole new presence in the band, allowing for more complex and driving bass lines that would become signature sounds for countless iconic groups. Building on his success, in 1954, Leo Fender introduced the Stratocaster, a treasure trove of innovation. With its sleek contours and double cutaway body, the Strat wasn't just aesthetically revolutionary. It offered an unprecedented level of access to higher frets, expanding the creative potential for guitarists across genres. The Stratocaster boasted several unique design elements that set it apart. Its contoured body provided enhanced comfort, while the introduction of a third single-coil pickup offered a wider range of tones. Its innovative tremolo bridge system allowed musicians to create vibrant pitch effects without going out of tune. Continuing our journey with the Stratocaster, it wasn't just its features that made history. Its distinctive sound captured the hearts of legends. Think Jimi Hendrix setting his Strat on fire at Monterey, or Eric Clapton's soulful Blackie riffs. This guitar didn't just play notes, it played pivotal roles in their iconic careers. As Leo Fender innovated, so too did others. Legendary musician Les Paul partnered with Gibson, leading to a friendly rivalry. Fender's solid-body electrics contrasted with Gibson's heavier, humbucker-equipped models. Each camp had die-hard fans, whether for the bright twang of a Telecaster or the warm sustain of a Les Paul. Mass production was key to Fender's success, allowing for widespread availability and affordability of their guitars. By streamlining the manufacturing process, Fender could produce consistent quality instruments on a large scale, making the pleasure of playing guitar accessible to musicians of all levels around the world. But Leo Fender's vision wasn't confined to guitars alone. He also revolutionized the sound they produced. Under his direction, Fender developed a series of amplifiers that would become as iconic as their six-string counterparts. These amps offered clarity and power, forever altering the landscape of live and recorded music. Transitioning from the amplifiers that carried the unique Fender sound, the journey continued as the company introduced the Fender Mustang series in 1964. Aimed at the student market, the Mustang offered simplicity and affordability, yet still boasted the distinctive Fender tone that appealed to both beginners and professionals alike. As the 60s unfolded, Fender's creative momentum surged, broadening its guitar range with new models. The introduction of the Jaguar and Jazzmaster, with their unique offset bodies and intricate switching systems, catered to the evolving tastes of musicians, solidifying Fender's position at the forefront of the guitar industry's golden age. In 1965, a pivotal moment came for the Fender Company, the CBS takeover. This corporate shift led to a noticeable change in production practices and, to the dismay of many, a perceived decline in the quality of Fender instruments. This period raised contentious debates around the brand's integrity and reputation. As CBS took the reins, discerning artists began to voice their concerns. The changes in Fender's build quality didn't go unnoticed, and musicians lamented the loss of the brand's former glory. This sentiment rippled through the music community as many sought out older, pre-CBS models for their revered craftsmanship. As the 1970s and 1980s signaled changes in ownership and production practices at Fender, a new phenomenon emerged: the vintage guitar market. Avid collectors and professional musicians alike began to hunt for pre-CBS Fenders, valuing them for their historical significance and renowned quality. These sought-after instruments transformed into collectors' treasures. As we reached the late 80s and 90s, Fender underwent a remarkable revival. Under new management, there was a return to original design philosophies and a renewed commitment to quality, recapturing the trust of musicians. The release of reissue models and Artist Series guitars sparked a resurgence of the brand's legendary status. Moving into the realm of exclusivity, Fender established a solid foothold in the custom and signature series market. By collaborating with iconic artists to design unique guitars reflecting their specific tastes and playing styles, Fender not only honored these musicians, but also attracted guitar enthusiasts eager for specialized, personalized instruments. As we advance into the 21st century, Fender continues to embrace cutting-edge technology and modern innovation. From state-of-the-art manufacturing processes to the integration of digital elements into traditional instruments, Fender is redefining the guitar for today's tech-savvy musician without losing the essence of what made their guitars legendary. The legacy of Leo Fender can be seen in every corner of modern guitar manufacturing. His commitment to quality, innovation, and the musician's needs fostered a standard that propelled the industry forward. Today, Fender's influence is evident in design approaches, production techniques, and the continued pursuit of sonic excellence. Fender's impact extends beyond just professional stages. They're equally committed to nurturing new talent. Through beginner-friendly models and educational initiatives, Fender actively lowers the barriers to entry, ensuring learners can easily access quality instruments and, in turn, ignite their musical passions right from the opening chord. The Stratocaster and Telecaster didn't just shape the sound of rock, they resonated through jazz, blues, and country too. Fender's versatility allowed artists to push boundaries, blending timbres and techniques across genres. This cross-pollination led to new sounds and styles, further enriching the tapestry of modern music. Fender's contributions profoundly impacted music recording and live performance. With their solid-body guitars reducing feedback, artists could now amplify their sound like never before. This innovation not only revolutionized studio recording quality, but also transformed live concerts into the electrifying spectacles that define modern performances. Fender's cultural and artistic legacy extends far beyond sheer instrument manufacturing. The iconic Stratocaster and Telecaster models became emblems of rock and roll rebellion. The precision bass underpinned the soul of many rhythms, and the Jaguar surfed the waves of new music genres, forever shaping the artistic landscape. As we gaze into the future, it's exciting to speculate on the evolution of Fender guitars. Advancements in technology could lead to even more revolutionary features and sounds. How will Fender continue to innovate while honoring its legacy? The possibilities for the next chapter in guitar history are truly endless. In conclusion, Leo Fender's vision reshaped the soundscape of the world. His pioneering designs, such as the Stratocaster and the Telecaster, are not mere instruments. They are the very tools that artists have used to paint the auditory canvas of generations. Truly, Fender's legacy is etched into the history of music. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the legacy of Leo Fender with Spectrum Sphere. If our exploration resonated with you, show your support with a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating stories. Keep exploring the vast expanse of ideas and innovations with us.